FSB has detained a father-son duo in Samara involved in multiple sabotage acts. Authorities seized 13.5 kilograms of explosives, bomb parts and drones as the pair prepared to blow up a railway bridge over the Samara River. The saboteurs confessed to attacks targeting energy and transport infrastructure, including a July 2023 gas pipeline explosion, 2024 railway bridge blasts, and an IED at the Kuibyshev Oil Refinery transformer substation.
Initially, it was a call to a certain telegram bot. There I was assigned a meeting after I filled out the form. This meeting did not take place. After that, another conversation was held with me, and I was offered to return to Russia. And the conversation was also held in an online format, right? Yes. And why did the meeting not work out? Because I was not allowed to go to the country where I was supposed to spend it. Tell me, please, did you choose the object of sabotage yourself? Or did your, how can I call it, careful person who helped you choose help you? In the end, I always chose the goals. And the priority was that they were connected with logistics, with the oil and gas sector, with the SFO.
The father admitted knowledge of his son's activities, while the duo reportedly chose targets themselves, focusing on logistics, oil and gas sectors, allegedly guided remotely via telegram.
You helped your son? Yes. Did you understand what he was doing? I guessed. You could and understood that as a result of the illegal activities that your son is engaged in, there could be victims among the civilian population. I hoped that it would be.
Separately, the FSB detained a 33-year-old man in Yekaterinburg for financing the Ukrainian armed forces. He allegedly transferred money to a foreign organization supplying Kyiv's military and faces potential life imprisonment. On the battlefield, Russian forces advanced in Ukraine, with the Vostok group liberating Kalinovskoye in Dnepropetrovsk. Troops also reported securing Olgovskoye in Zaporizhzhia and Muravka in Donetsk, using TOS-1A heavy flamethrowers, artillery, and UAVs.
I was watching from the helicopter. I was watching every soldier personally. I was watching what was going on in front of him and behind him. The enemy was in front and behind us. So, we had to watch both directions. We were under fire from artillery and CPV drones. The enemy started to retreat. I didn't know that our soldiers were sitting between the fortifications. They started to retreat. My soldier met them and destroyed them.
The Northern Fleet conducted exercises with the nuclear-powered cruise missile submarine Arkhangelsk striking a simulated surface target in the Barents Sea, demonstrating long-range strike capabilities. These developments highlight a dual challenge for Russia, countering alleged pro-Ukrainian sabotage at home while maintaining offensive operations in contested regions of Ukraine. Authorities warn that hybrid threats and domestic vulnerabilities remain high,